We're talking to local business leaders about their innovative contributions to our community. And the following portion of Good Business San Diego is sponsored by Kind Health Group. Dr. Georgine Nanos founded Kind Health Group in Encinitas as a comprehensive medical and wellness practice that addresses the whole person to help patients feel and function their best inside and out. Kind Health Group offers concierge primary care, women's health services, aesthetic treatments, and much more. And today we'll focus on their wellness and weight loss program. Dr. Nanos, welcome back.
Thank you, Roy.
It's good to have you here. So what inspired you to launch the weight loss component of your practice?
Well, over the years of practice, I'm a family physician. I've seen so many patients struggle with weight loss, and it is a very frustrating issue that people really have a hard time managing. And it's so important to our health to maintain a normal weight, but it's so incredibly hard to do in practice. And at Kind Health Group, we offer much more than just giving someone a shot or a pill. We really take a very comprehensive approach to weight loss by looking at everything that comes into play, including your nutrition, your lifestyle, your mental health. We want to create a comprehensive program so that when patients are going through this process, we create a path for them to get lasting results that they can
really
sustain.
get to know everything about the patient, all of the background that factors into this. Of course, the one thing that's getting all the attention now is these GLP-1 medications. Talk about those and how you perceive them to be effective for people, or no?
They are a massive breakthrough in medicine, really have changed the game in weight loss and obesity medicine. GLP-1s mimic a natural hormone that your body makes, and what they do is help to reduce your cravings for food and reduce your blood sugar, and also really slow down your digestion so that you feel fuller faster, and you're eating much less food than you typically do. So it's really important when you're on these medications, and they're usually injectable drugs. They're the drugs semaglutide and tirzepatide. There's only 2 medications, but 8 names for them.
Okay, yeah. So we see them branded differently on TV
so they're branded as
things.
Ozempic and Mounjaro. But so they're just those 2 medications. They're given by injection once a week, and it's just really important that patients, when they're on those medications, are being followed closely and getting good close medical supervision, which we do.
That's the key, because in some cases people can actually order online, which I know you don't advocate. What's the difference when you're coming and getting that oversight at Kind Health Group?
Well, we're checking in with our patients every week. We're making sure they're not having any side effects from the medication, that they're meeting their goals, that they're not, answering any questions, addressing any concerns they might have, and also, again, looking at their whole picture of their health, as well as their cardiac profile, their mental health. All of that comes into play when we're looking at weight loss. It's not just one thing. It's not just, get a shot and go.
Right. Who is a good candidate, or is it across the board pretty much for everybody?
I mean, everybody who is serious about losing weight. I mean, I think the best candidates are people who are highly motivated and are also optimizing their lifestyle, and it's not, just a quick fix for them, that they are also doing all the right things, trying to eat well, and that's, creating a comprehensive approach to it. It is something that, and it's also something that shouldn't be stigmatized. People really need to, get down to a normal weight for our heart health and for our mental health. So it's a big deal. So
many different consequences overall to your life.
Yeah.
And people can schedule online and set up that consultation, learn more. Thanks again for coming in, Dr. Nanos. kindhealthgroup.com is the website, and the preceding portion of Good Business San Diego, sponsored by Kind Health Group. We'll be right back.